Hi and welcome to our 20th video. Yeah, 52-week Blender challenge. This time we're gonna make a little stone wall, but we're gonna do it like in a cube, and we're gonna do it with a curve and a array modifier. I just want to show you so you can like make walls for yourself and stuff like that. Not metaphorically, like physically in this 3D environment here. All right, let's get started. Press S. Y. We're going to make a few blocks here. SC. Oops. All right. Okay, that's going to be our first brick. Actually, let's make it X a little smaller like that. SY, like this. All right. Sweet. First, press Control A. All transforms. We got to do this as we make like different variations of this block. So just take that into account. Let's add some features to this before we make it smaller. Tab, make a face, because that's all they're really gonna see for the most part. Nope, that's not what we want. Just one face at a time then. GX, like that. All right, we got our basic brick made. Let's create it. Again, Control A. All transforms is to be saved. Shift D, Y. Right, then S 0.5. Nope, guess not. S 0.5. What's going on here? Select this brick, yeah. S. Oh, 0.5 Y. Let's delete this and retry this. All right, Shift D. S. Y 0.5. This is just magical. Okay, GY. Shift D, Y. Let's move it. Then S, Y 0.5. Oh, my number thing is not there. All right, S, Y 0.5. Still not working. Weird, but all right. That's kind of what we want. Up close. Then let's make some variations here. Shift D, Y. Sorry, C. Press 3. GY. All right. Then Shift D. That's pretty good. Let's go a little closer and GC. Okay, this is the gist of what we need. This is going to be how things look for our wall. Now, let's add our curve. Shift A, curve, path. All right. Then edit mode, and we're going to delete this. Yes. All right. And then press 7, and we're going to make a wall here. So do the best you can. All right, like that. And it's going to be darker cyclic, so it's going to be closed. And again, if we want to make it a little straighter, we can. We just have to move things around here. Oh, and if you want to make it, what's it called? have a little more resolution, or so that it moves in, what do you call it? When it moves, it's not all jaggedy, it's smoother. You can do select all, right click, subdivide, and it'll add more for you. And then we can do, it's called proportional editing, and move it like that. All right. But let's put everything else besides this on X-ray. All right. All right, see, it is all connected. Just want to verify that. Press tab. Okay, this is going to be our path. Let's do one brick at a time. That way you have a little more examples, but overall, this should be good. Or we can, I think, just join all of these as one. I think Control J, right? Okay, yeah. Control J makes this all one thing. And then we can just add an array, which is array like this. We're doing it on the y-axis. One. Cool. Oh, actually, before we do that, make sure Control A all transforms first. Object, set origin to geometry. Cool. But also Control A all transforms. What's going on here? Nah, set origin to geometry. All right, all transfers are fine. Geometry's correct now. Then let's do one here in the Y. Still working, nice. Now let's add a curve modifier and select our curve. And as you can see, it's a hell of a mess. Let's add more and see what happens. So relative offset needs to be taken off. Constant offset. Oof, that is a mess. Okay, so that definitely didn't work. Let's Control C. And do Control A, all transforms. Now let's add our curve and see what happens. Still messing up. Okay, I guess we might have to go with one brick at a time here. I'm not sure why that's bugging out, but definitely do not want. All right, let's do this one at a time. That way you can at least see it working. 0, 1, 1.5. Cool. And then this one, array modifier, 2, 2.5, 3. All right. 0. Then we're going to do the same thing to this one, array. And then this one. So it's good. Sorry for all the troubleshooting, but hopefully it helps you make sure that you're not making as many mistakes as I am. So let's continue. All right. So everything has an array. Let's add the curve modifier here. Select your curve. I don't understand what's going on here. That curve should be fine. Let's delete that curve modifier here. Let's see, object, set, oh, nope. Control A, all transforms. Yeah. Add array mod curve. Add more. It's like it's distorted. It's something. I don't know what's going on here. All right, let's just continue troubleshooting because this is really important for you guys, but most so me. I'm just joking. All right, let's delete this. Add a curve modifier that's a path, RX90, and then tab, and let's do EY like this, EY like this, EX like that, EX like that, and then EY, 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 and here select these three vertices, and we're going to add some more subdivisions here so it'll be straighter. We're going to do the same thing over here. But actually, let's leave that there so you can see the differences between more divisions and stuff like that. Tab edit mode, select this brick, and just add quite a few, right? Now add the curve modifier, and let's add that curve, and it should follow that path. This is what we want with that other path we did, but I'm not sure why it's not working. In being closed loop should have been fine. Maybe there was too much divisions or something like that, but I'm honestly not sure. Then curve modifier. Let's see. Then this. Let's give you two other examples. All right. Let's wait for this. Okay, and then oh, my mouse. All right, so the fashion way with a curve here. All right, so there we have it. We have our wall. It's pretty small, and as you can see, when it's kind of curved here, it does orient itself pretty well, but when you add more divisions, it'll either mess up or kind of work itself out. It'll just take some time and practice. So we like this, right? So let's make the wall a little bigger. What we're going to do is just add another array. And we're going to do this on the y-axis, 1, 0. And we're going to do a few. All right. And I think this is going to be a spacing of 2. Because this is going to be a spacing of 1. Actually, it's spacing of 2 too. And then All right, as you can see, we can keep building this up until we have a nice wall. But yeah, we can either do it enclosed, spread out, lined like that. Sorry this took so long for all the troubleshooting, but at least if you kind of see all these issues, it might help you make things a little faster or reduce your troubles. Thanks for listening. Until next time.